Hi all, today we are going to discuss one more problem of the array, which is find the duplicate elements in the given array. So as the title you can understand what is the problem. We just need to find that elements which is more than one times in a given array. So I have already written down the one array which is having the 654, 654, 321. So here you can see the 6 and 6 are the duplicate elements. 5 5 also duplicate. 4 4 also duplicate. 3 3 which is not the duplicate. 2 which is also only one time, and 1 also only one time. So we need to find that how many elements are the duplicates. So here we can see the 6, 5 and 4 are the duplicate elements in the given. So this is the problem. We need to find these elements which is are the duplicate elements. So how we can think on this part, how we can solve the problem? There are the many ways, but a few of the methods that we are going to discuss. So I am just explaining the method one. Suppose for example, the method one, what method one says, the here 6. I just check in all the elements at the right hand side from the 6 onwards. So here one by one we will check by the 5, which is not the same as 6, 5, 4, 6 here. So this we can print that the 6 is duplicate. Okay, and then we will check from the fifth. So here fifth we will check one by one, and then check the value for the fourth element. So fourth we will go one by one and then check, and then so there are the two loops we will use in the method one by iterating one by one and checking all the elements. So for loop I to array of length. Okay, and inside the for loop one more loop j from I plus 1 onwards to a of length. Okay, and here we will check that the element a of I equals to a of j. If it's equals to, then we will simply print that duplicates elements are a of I. Okay, if it's not, then we will come down for the both loops. So here our the I index will start from the 6, and it will go towards one by one to the in the second loop. So I 0 6 6 it will check from the fifth, then second time it will check for the fourth, and 6 and 5 4 3 2 1 like that only. So this inner loop, then it's a come down for the next iteration, and then 4 and 6 and same like that only. So this is the normal thing to iterate to check the duplicate elements. Okay. Now I am just discussing the second method, which is inside the which we will use. What method 2 says? The method second, I'm just taking the in the Java we are going to use the collection. So inside the collection one interface which is called set. So inside the set, what is the theory says that this set will not store the duplicate elements in their array. Okay, so what we will do, we will store this all elements in the array one by one and then check. So the method which is says the add method, and this the return type for the add method is true or false. Okay, so what we will use, we will one by one iterate the arrays elements and then we will store in the set like s dot a of I. So what it says, I am just adding the elements of all the elements in one by one to the set. So the first time it will store the six which is going to be first time only. So it will add inside the six inside the set, and then it will go to the fifth. It will check inside the set there is already exist or not. Here not exist, then it will add fifth, and then fourth also. Now it's going to the 6, so 6 is already inside the set, so here it will return as a false, and I have written the condition. It's not equals to true, means false, means its condition says that it's already exists inside the set. So it will go and print like the duplicate elements are a of I. Okay, and then it will go for C 5, 5 also duplicate, it's also print like 5 6 4, and then 3, 3 which is first time, then it will store the 3 2 and 1. So this is a collection part for the Java. If you want to know in the deeply for the set, please let me know or write down in the comment box. So I will share the code and I will explain for what is the internal mechanism or what is the thing for the set. Okay. Now we are going to discuss one more method to find the duplicate elements. Okay. So I am 3 method 3. So in this method we are going to use the additional array like temp array, and inside the temp array I am just creating the blank temporary array. We This is length same as the actual array. So here 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So there are the 8 9 elements basically. So here I am just storing 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, so this is my temporary array. So inside the temporary array what we are going to use, we are just changing the value of the this temporary array based on the condition. So suppose I just taken the a of 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. So this is the array. So in this method what we are going to discuss, we are just updating these values to the 1, so it says that it's more than 1 times. Got it? So let me explain more. So in the first index I just taken the 6. Okay, so 6 index, here the 6 index. So in the temporary array we are just taking the index of the taking the value of the array, and based on that the value we are just updating on the index of the temporary array. So here the 6 and here the 6, so this is the value and this is the index. So on the 6 index the 0, so in the first loop it will check that the value inside the temporary array which is 0. If it's 0, then it will change the value to 1. Okay, I will just erase this also. It will going to the 1 only. Okay, and then it will go to the fifth. So where is the fifth position? Fifth is here only. So now it will go to here, and then on the fifth index the value is fifth, which is first time only. So it will change to value 1. Okay, so now the temporary variable will be the 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 and 0. Okay, now our loop will go to the second condition, fourth index. So where is the fourth index? Which is here only. So here, which is also first time, then it will change to the 1. Then 6, on the sixth position. Where is the sixth position? 0 2 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Here also the 0 position should be here only. Okay, so here now what we will check here, now the sixth position, which is 1, I think. This is 1, this is the 0 only, this is the 1. Okay, now the sixth position, 6 is already 1, means 6 which is come to the second time. So here it will print that 6 is a repeated array, a repeated value. Okay, now it's go to the next fourth position. What is the fourth position value? The value is fifth. The value is fifth, then go to the here only, which is also which is showing the 1. So this is also the second time, so here also it will print like 5 repeated. Okay, and now it will go to the fifth position, and here the value is 4, fourth already coming, then it will print there like this only, fourth repeated only. Now it's come to the third, sixth position. What is the value of the sixth position is 3, so it will go 3 here, 3 which is 0, it will change to 1. Now our array will go to the next step. The value is index is 7, value is 2, 2 value is 0, it will change to the 1. Here 1 index value, which is also the 1, it will change to 1, and it's come down to the, so here the repeated array items are 6 5 4 only. This is the also the one more thing, but in this method we are going to use the temporary variable or the count variable to count by counting the value based on the size of the given array. So if you want to know the source code for this count variable, please write down the comment box and let me know. I will share the code to you. So please subscribe and like my channel, and thank you so much for the watching.